Today I will show you how to fix your screen resolution on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you found this helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Now let me show you how to fix it. If you're having problems with your resolution, all you need to do is right click on your desktop. Now go down to display settings. Scroll down a bit until you find display resolution. If you click on this, a little menu will pop up and you can now select any resolution you want. I would recommend the recommended resolution. This will give you the best experience and performance. Now, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and comment if you have other problems.